Good afternoon, everybody. This is Getanah Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Getanah. ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ያላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉልኝ። ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ደግሞ የምለቃቸውን ቪዲዮዎች ላይክ፣ ሼር እንድታደርጉልኝ በአክብሮት እጠይቃለሁ። So today we are going to see another idiomatical expression that can help us improve our speaking skill. That idiom or that idiomatical expression is eat someone or somebody alive. Have you ever eaten somebody or someone alive? You know, it can be your parents, it can be your friends, it can be your neighbors, it can be your classmates, etc. So, eating somebody or someone alive. What does it mean? For example, nowadays many Ethiopians are eating politicians alive. In addition, yesterday Manchester United fans ate Amorim alive for taking off key players. So what does eat somebody or someone alive mean? Look guys, ምን ማለት ነው? Eating somebody or someone alive ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? አንድን ሰው ወይንም አንድን ግለሰብ በኃይለኛው መውቀስ ወይንም ደግሞ ክሪቲሳይዝ ማድረግ ምን ይባላል? Eating someone or somebody alive ይባላል ማለት ነው። So, are you a student? By the way, there is a horse behind me. As you can see, it is grazing. Okay? So you can enjoy watching the horse as well. So, are you a student? If you are a student, how often do you eat your teachers alive for not teaching well? ለምሳሌ ተማሪዎች ከሆናችሁ አንድ መምህር በደንብ አላስተማረንም ብላችሁ ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? ትወቅሳላችሁ አይደለ? That criticism is known as eating somebody alive. So, criticize and eat somebody or someone alive are the same. ተመሳሳይ ናቸው። ልዩነታቸው ምንድነው? Eat someone or somebody alive is an idiomatical expression. ምን ይባላል ይሄ? ፈሊጣዊ ንግግር ይባላል። So, do you like eating politicians alive? I don't like, by the way, I don't like eating politicians alive. I'm kidding. I like eating politicians alive. So, eating politicians alive means criticizing politicians furiously. ፖለቲከኞችን በኃይለኛው ክሪቲሳይዝ የምታደርጉ ከሆነ ወይንም ደግሞ ምን ልበላችሁ የምትወቅሱ ከሆነ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? You can say I eat politicians alive ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, if you are eating someone or somebody alive, that means you are criticizing that person or those people furiously or angrily. በጣም ተቆጥታችሁ ተበሳጭታችሁ የምትወቅሱ ከሆነ ምን ይባላል? ያ eat somebody or someone alive. For example, let's assume yesterday I told my dad to buy a slice of cake. However, he came home without purchasing that slice of cake. So, I ate my dad, or you can say yesterday I ate my dad alive ማለት ትችላላችሁ። በጣም ተቆጣችሁ እንትን የምትሉት ከሆነ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? Yesterday I ate my dad alive ማለት ትችላላችሁ። The other one is this woman or this mom is eating her son alive. So, if a mom is eating her son alive, that means she is criticizing her son furiously ማለት ነው። ወንድ ልጇን ምን እያደረገች ማለት ነው? ወቀሰች ነው ማለት ነው። The next one is the press will eat us alive if we don't bring desirable change. You can say the press will eat us alive if we don't bring desirable change ማለትም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። The next one is let's talk about the conjugation of the idiomatical expression eating someone or somebody alive. Conjugation እንዴት አድርገን ነው eating somebody or someone alive የሚለውን conjugate የምናደርገው? Look, we have a verb. That verb is eat. So the only thing that you have to do is including or using or adding a subject before it and then putting an object between the verb ate and the adjective alive. ምንድነው የምታደርጉት? The only thing that you have to do is very simple. verb አለን ያ verb eat ነው ከቨርቡ በፊት ሳብጀክት መጨመር ነው ከዛ ቀጥሎ ከኢት ቀጥሎ የሚወቀሰውን ግለሰብ ወይንም የሚወቀሱትን ሰዎች ትጨምራላችሁ ከዛ መጨረሻ ላይ alive የሚለውን adjectiveን እንዳለ ተጠቀማላችሁ ማለት ነው so I can say yesterday Manchester United fans ate Ruben Amorim alive. Look, yesterday Manchester United fans ate Ruben Amorim alive. So before the verb ate, I have a subject. The subject is Manchester United fans. And then after the verb ate, I have Ruben Amorim. Ruben Amorim is the object which receives the action of eating. And then we have the adjective alive after it. If you wanted to include the reason, ምክንያቱን መጨመር ከፈለጋችሁ ደግሞ you can add the prepositional phrase for plus object of preposition መጨመር ትችላላችሁ ለምሳሌ you can say yesterday Manchester United fans ate Ruben Amorim for taking off key players ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው ምክንያቱም ለምንድነው አንድን ሰው የምትወቅሱት ምክንያቱም መጨመር ከፈለጋችሁ alive ከሚለው በኋላ prepositional phrase መጨመር ትችላላችሁ ስለዚህ reasonውን ማለት ነው The next one is this Chelsea fan is eating the club alive or you can say Chelsea fans are eating their club alive ማለትም ይቻላል ማለት ነው so Chelsea fans are eating their club alive if you want to add the reason or why they are eating their club you can use a prepositional phrase for plus and then object of preposition መጨመር ትችላላችሁ ነው in addition to that ዛሬ ከኳስ ከእግር ኳስ አንወጣም ምን ማለት ይቻላል Manchester United fans will never stop eating Erik ten Hag alive ያው Erik ten Hag Manchester United ላይ የሰራውን እንትን ታውቃላችሁ still አሁን ድረስ there are a lot of Manchester United fans that are eating Erik ten Hag alive አሁን ድረስ Erik ten Hagን ክሪቲሳይዝ የሚያደርጉ የሚወቅሱ አሉ ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ይቻላል Manchester United fans will never stop eating Erik ten Hag alive ማለት ይቻላል ማለት ነው and finally the members of the Senate have eaten the teachers alive ልብ በሉ ቴንሱን መቀየር ከፈለጋችሁ ኤት ላይ ነው የምትነካኩት ለምሳሌ simple present tense ማድረግ ብትፈልጉ my mother always eats me alive present continuous ማድረግ ብትፈልጉ my mother is eating me alive now ወደፊት ማድረግ ብትፈልጉ my mother will eat me alive እያደረጋችሁ ቴንሱን እየቀያየራችሁ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው so finally if you don't want to be eaten alive don't do anything wrong guys look If you don't want to be eaten alive, don't do anything wrong. So that is all about today's lesson. See you soon.